Hello, once again, you're welcome to FTGFs Weekly Market Outlook. And you know what we do. We analyze the market, share with you potential market moves that can help you as a trader to make a very good trading decision, okay? And they also share with you, opportunities in the market and good opportunities. So a practical example is currently Ingot is running a promo where if you deposit any amount, okay, and you take your first trade, and that very first trade doesn't go well, Ingot refunds up to $100. Okay, so for instance, you create a new account with Ingot, you deposit $100. Okay, you place your first trade, let's say on Euro USD, and that very first trade doesn't go well, or you run into a loss. Because Ingot cares about you, it refunds all the $100 back into your account. Okay, so now you can take your time, relook at your analysis again, and enter the market again. Okay, so there's one of the great opportunities or promotions going on in the industry at the moment. Okay, also, if let's say you have you are struggling with how to analyze the market and all of that, you log into your Ingot account, you go straight to resources. Okay, now at resources you would see technical views. At the technical views, as you can see currently, this Gbpusd, you click on it and then you are going to have details. Okay, now the details of that, as you can see, we have intraday, daily, weekly, and all. Okay, you can now look at them and then make a trading decision from there. If you want to know how to use Ingot trading signals, you can reach out to me. I will share with you a detailed video on how to go about that. Now let's delve into it. What's going to come up in the coming week, and then how to make good use of opportunities in the market. Now, with analysis, we look at it from technical analysis point of view, fundamental analysis point of view, and with that, we are going to look at events coming up that has high chances of affecting the forex markets, okay, and any other market as well. So you log into your Ingot, you visit ingot.io, you go to resource hub, okay. You scroll down, you go to economic calendar. Now at economic calendar, okay, as you can see here, we have dates, events coming up. So you select the dates, the duration, and then you pick it up from there. Now, today's date is 12. Select 12 up to, let's say, next week Saturday. Okay, so 18th. Okay, then you scroll down, the time is accurate. High impact news, okay, or news that has high chances of having effects or impact in the markets. Okay, now which countries do we want to trade or look at? Okay, the economies we want to look at: US, Australia, Canada, the Euro area as well. We also look at Japan, down, Switzerland, and UK. Okay, then you scroll back up to see. You scroll back up, you click on high. The high again, and then the news that has high impacts are going to also show up again. Okay, now if you look at all of these from Monday 13th, that's Monday, we have news coming up. On Tuesday we have news coming up. A moment, let me check the high. Okay, just the high impact news. Good. So on the 14th, today is 12, so that's Tuesday, we have RBA meetings coming up. Okay, we have unemployment change or unemployment news coming from UK, and is very, very important. Okay, because it's of high value. Okay, if there's more unemployment, what that simply means is people are not working, they don't have the purchasing power. It affects the GBP or that currency, so you need to pay very good attention to that. So Wednesday we have that coming up, and in the course of the week we have news coming up from the US. Currently we have issues in the US, okay, but the USD always has its way of finding or positioning itself in the market, so you need to pay very good attention to that. So now, looking at all of these, I think that we have retail sales from the US coming up, housing starts month over month from the US also coming up. So now, looking at all of these, from my point of view, I would like to trade US pairs, okay, or USD pairs. That's any USD pair, okay. But looking at the unemployment rate news coming from the UK and retail sales news coming from the US, I would like to trade Gbpusd. Okay, you can choose any currency of your choice, but from my point of view, this is what I would like to choose. But if I'm to choose any other pair, I would choose GBP pairs, then USD pairs. Okay. So now that we are done with the fundamental analysis, now let's look at the technical analysis side of things. Okay, so your MT5. Okay, so we are going to look at gold. I mean, gold has been creating the highs, and that is crazy. Okay, it creates breaks. So now, if you look at gold right now, you can see that it's been in an uptrend once again, as we all can see. Okay, now if you are a trader looking out for buy opportunities or sell opportunities, you need to pay very good attention to this. It's very, very important. Okay, so now the buy or the uptrend move started from here. Okay, the uptrend move started from here. Then price pulled back a little bit and got rejected by the uptrend line. Okay, and then again it went up again. It tried coming back again, and then it also got rejected by the uptrend line again. So it tells you that the uptrend line is very, very, very strong. Okay, now if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in gold, okay, now that you have the price rejected by the uptrend line, you can place your buy trade, okay, because you have the price rejected by the uptrend line. Or you can wait for the price to pull back a little bit and get rejected by the uptrend line again. Okay, and there you can place your buy trade. If you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for price to break the uptrend line to the downside as I'm showing, then you can place your sell trade. Now, in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. And what I mean is your stop loss, take profit, lot size. Okay, very, very important. Now let's look at Bitcoin. Last week that it was a crash. Okay, now this week we are going to look at the opportunities that Bitcoin is going to come up with. Okay, now if you look at this closely, okay, this is a 4-hour chart. If you look at this closely, you can see that the price was in an uptrend. Okay, let me just start the uptrend line. Okay, right, so the price was up. Okay, and choosing this as our reference, price or the uptrend move started from here, and then price moved up, it pulled back a little bit, and it got rejected by the same uptrend line. But as currently you can see, price broke the uptrend line to the downside, as you can see here. Okay, now if you're a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, okay, you can place your sell trade because price has broken the uptrend line to the downside. Okay, or if you want further confirmation, you can wait for price to pull back a little bit to get back to the uptrend line, and when it gets rejected to the downside, you place your sell trade. If you're also a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for price to pull back and break this uptrend line to the upside, then you can place your buy trade. In all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, now let's look at oil. Let's look at oil. If you look at oil closely, last week as we shared with you, we can see a big move in the oil. Okay, as you can see here. Now, if you look at this closely, okay, you would realize that this is a key area here. Okay, here and then here. Okay, now price first got rejected by the support, moved up. You know, we saw the up and down consolidation and all of that. Then price currently got rejected again, as you can see here, but currently you can see that the price has broken the support to the downside, as you can see. So if you're a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you can place your sell trade and have your stop loss above the support, which is currently serving as a resistance. Or if you're also looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for the price to pull back and then break the resistance to the upside, then you can place your buy trade. Once again, in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. And what I'm referring to is your lot size, stop loss, take profit. They are very, very important. Now, beginning of the presentation, I mentioned that I would like us to, in the forex market, look at Gbpusd. Why? News, retail news coming from the US, hopefully, and then unemployment rate news coming from the UK. Okay, now if you look at this closely once again, you can see that what was initially serving as a resistance is broken. Okay, so first the move started from here, okay, first, and then price got rejected at the same level at this point. Okay, now as you can see, we can see price breaking the resistance. What was serving as resistance is broken and currently serving as a support. Okay, so if you look at this closely, you can see that price is moving up. Okay, so if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in Gbpusd, as you can see, once the resistance is broken, you place your buy trade and have your stop loss below the resistance, the initial resistance, which is currently serving as support. If you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for this support to get broken to the downside. Then you place your sell trade. Okay. In all of these, once again, ensure that you have proper risk management measures in place. Before I go, if you are using Xauusd platform, there's what we call risk-free first trade. Okay, risk-free first trade, you deposit any amounts in your account to place your first trade, and if that trade doesn't go well, Xauusd refunds that money back to your account, and it's up to $100. Okay, if you're also struggling with how to trade yourself, you're a busy type or something, and you want to copy trades from others, you can just go to copy trading. You can search any of the traders there, like the africaforex.com, as you can see here. Okay, and there you can see the performance. So as you can see, this has been the performance so far. It's around 33%. Or there are other traders you can copy from. If you're also struggling with market analysis, you can also look at Xauusd trading views, ideas, signals, and then learn how to, and then use them. Okay, if you want detailed tutorials on how to use these signals and all of that, reach out to me and I'm going to assist you with how to do it. Once again, thanks for joining me. Catch you next week. If you have any questions, reach out. Bye bye.